She's just ringing. Doot, doot, doot. 41 cents, 41 cents, 41 cents. Hey guys, RB the Garden Nanny. Today I am going to be doing a redo of this, some would say beautiful. I think it's pretty nice.
I was inspired when I went into Plant Haven Farms, one of the local nurseries in my neighborhood, and I found this beautiful succulent arrangement. And it's faux. Look how beautiful it is. But I was really surprised at this. I love the base, and it really inspired me to make my own.
Topiary. I found at my local thrift store, and I love the fact that it already comes with a container. It already comes with the styrofoam in the center here, and I'm gonna of course take off all of these apples and all the little things that go with it. I'm going to put in my succulents. Now, all of my succulents are coming from the Dollar Tree. These are the succulents that I'm using. They are, to me, you know, I can't tell the difference. Some people, I know a lot of people will be able to tell the difference between a real succulent and a faux succulent. I just think they look very nice. And of course, they come with this little container. These, I was pleasantly surprised that when I got to the register, because I was willing to pay $1.25 for this because it's the Dollar Tree. I thought $1.25, right? So I get to the register and it's 41 cents. She's just ringing, doot, 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 41 cents, 41 cents, 41 cents. I was like, oh my gosh, maybe I need to go back and get some more. And maybe I will, because I'm not really sure if it will, what I have will fill it up. But it's just nice to be able to go and get something for 41 cents. So I have a bunch of those. And I also picked up this floral moss. I got 3 bags of those. They were $1.25. And I am going to either put this on with my glue gun, which I'm kind of leaning against because that will be a lot of, probably will be messy. I'm thinking of going to either Michael's, Walmart, maybe back to the Dollar Tree to see if they have it. If they have those little floral pins, I think that will be a lot easier putting this on. I'm just gonna put it on here and put my pins in, and then I'm going to put my beautiful succulents in. So let's get started. All right, all of the stuff. And I tell you, it was a job taking it off. I had to get my pliers to remove some of the stem, but I was able to get them off. And so now I'm just going to go through the process of putting this floral moss on. I would really like to add some of this stuff, but I have a feeling if I do, it's going to just fly away and be all over the place. Wow, guys, don't that look so pretty? Unfortunately, I thought I had enough of the succulents, and I do not. So I ran out and got some more. So I'm going to be filling the bottom out. I'm glad I started at the top. So I really, really like the way it looks. Look at that. And I really like these burgundy ones, but I think it turned out really, really pretty. Let me add the other succulents. I am all done with this topiary, and I think it looks fabulous. I do have darker pieces in here and there, tucked in, like right up in the top there. Layers of different succulents all throughout, but I absolutely love it. I think it turned out really, really nice, and it looks really nice with the base there. So I could not be more pleased with this project. It took more succulents than I thought, but in the end, it was worth it. Now I just have to find a spot for it. That is my project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.